be her first time there. Hi, say hi, Mom.
Hello.
I'm proud of her because she went to Sprouts yesterday and she bought vegan cheese. I gotta ask her what kind she bought yet though, because I told her about both Daya and Follow Your Heart. I want my mommy to tell them what cheese she bought.
I don't remember.
Was it the Daya or was it the Follow Your Heart?
I bought one of each.
Oh, you did? That's good. So you don't know what flavor it was?
Cheddar, I think.
You bought the orange one? Oh, okay. Cool. She said she hasn't tried it yet, so even if she doesn't like it, Logan will eat it and Garion will eat it. Plus, I told her that the Daya takes a while to get used to and to just use a tiny little bit at a time until she gets used to it. Because when I first tried Daya, I hated it. And it grew on me, so hopefully it'll grow on her too. But I'm proud of her for buying it and trying something new. So anyway, we're heading to Violette's Vegan in case you can hear me before over the wind. And we'll show you our food when we get there. My mom had the biscuits and gravy, and I had the tofu scrambled wrap and side of pancakes. What'd you think, Mom?
Very good.
Yeah, I tasted her biscuits and gravy. It was pretty good. Not my favorite. I would probably not order it myself, but she seemed to like it.
Vegetables were good.
Oh, I didn't eat my vegetable either. I just tasted the cauliflower. It wasn't cooked all the way, and I don't like raw cauliflower or broccoli, so
It's good.
I didn't eat it. My hair's a mess because it's windy outside. We're gonna go search for a dollar store over here because I'm on the other side of town from where I live, and I know Kat. Hey Kat from Vegas Fruity, she's been doing the dollar store challenge where she's been living off of groceries from the dollar store every week. I think she's been spending less than $40 every week or 2 weeks on groceries from the dollar store, and the dollar store near me doesn't have any good groceries or healthy food, so there's one only 4 minutes from here, so we're gonna go check it out and see what we can find. Supposed to go to the 99-cent store, not the Dollar Tree. There's like nothing here. Just junk food. It's all junk food stuff.
They got herbal tea.
Do you have some coffee and tea though? Hiding down here behind the boxes is the soy milk. So I was like, U-turn, we're going back, because I never come to this side of town, and they just opened this IKEA here, so me and my mom are gonna go check it out. I'm super excited. I've heard very good things about IKEA, so let's go see. I know it's gonna be super busy because they just had the grand opening, but we're gonna have to brave the crowd. Dude, it must be the opening weekend this weekend, because there's cops directing the traffic and there's so many cars here. Hopefully we can find a parking spot. My mom said, if you had told me, I would have brought my handicap sticker. But I didn't know we were gonna go here. Home inside IKEA. I love it. Very cool. And that's the closet. This is the closet. We weren't supposed to get anything. Look at our shopping cart. That place is jam-packed. Hi. That place is so crowded, oh my gosh. And we weren't supposed to buy anything, but we ended up shopping anyway. I'm so dehydrated and tired now, I gotta go somewhere and find a drink. I wasn't about to stand in line at their cafe because there was way too many people there. I got myself a laptop table too from IKEA, which is pretty nifty. Yeah. Pretty cool. So I'm home now, I'm worn out. Shopping wears me out. But that store was crazy. It had a lot of cool stuff, a lot of good prices, so I can see why everyone loves it. But let me know if you've ever been there, or if it would have been your first time too, if you went with us. And if you've got anything cool from IKEA, let me know what it was. I got carpets. You're welcome. Look, I got 2 green carpets to replace my ugly old brown ones that I don't like. So that's pretty cool, thanks to my mom. So I'm gonna relax now. Thanks for watching my little broccoli bites. I'll catch you in the next video.